So we are at Lowe's with our babies. There's Artie PB. And Summy C is in the stroller right now. Artie PB. It is Artie and Summy's first visit to Lowe's. Oh, it's a buddy, Artie. Let me see what Summy's doing. Summy! Summy C! Go over there, Booger. Look at those pretty Christmas trees. I want to see, I was going to go ahead and get my herbs. Some herbs. Go over there to where the herbs are. You're going right to them.
Carry emotions, the weight of the ocean. You keep climbing mountains, too blind to see. It's not getting you closer to where you wanna be.
These are the herbs, y'all. Where's the prices at? Where are the prices?
Price right here.
Where? It says price here, but I don't see a price. Anybody else see a price?
Hard to get all the attention over there.
Go to the flowers. All right, right here.
I'm sure like every day. I have nothing to do.
Ooh, those are pretty. Is this somebody's buggy? No, it's not. These are really pretty. Propaganda, huh? I have this plant right here at the pond. It's gonna start blooming. It's really pretty when it starts blooming. Ooh, that's a different color one. So's that one. How much is that?
$32.
God. $18.
That's a good thing.
I'm like only getting a few flowers because I got to get the rock and the mulch. I'm not getting a whole bunch of that right now either. Ooh. These are really pretty. Aren't those pretty?
Yeah. Yeah, I like those.
Does it bloom all summer? Here, give me another one. Come here. Come on. And then I need one bag of the big pebbles, of the river pebbles. One bag to start. That's leaking. That one's throwing out rock. It's busted. And then 3 bags of pea gravel. All right, Sammy, it's your turn to explore. Let's go explore, Sammy. Come on.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna go,
He wants out. Look, he's freaking out. He's like, get me out.
Artie.
I should go take him inside. Sit in Come on.
There's those rose trees again. Yeah, you need, because Terry's got to pick up mulch. This would be really pretty to put that tree in the yard and let it climb up that tree. You know what I'm talking about? And it comes back every year. I'm going to go ahead and get one, and now we'll just look around. Because I got to get some rock and mulch. Look, these are $30. See, I need to get a new bird one. I think I'm going to get a glow one when I get paid. Come on, Sammy. All right, it's time for somebody to go in the stroller and Artie to come out.
Well, here in a minute.
Artie. Artie.
Some lady came up and said that Artie was so pretty. And she said she has a Boston Terrier that's a white one. And she says it suffers a real bad separation anxiety.
Really?
Yeah. I told her that.
I really want to get one of these chairs. Isn't this nice, y'all? I really want one. They got some nice furniture for outdoors.
Sit down still.
Are they both gonna fit in that stroller to go into Walmart?
They should be.
I'm not gonna be in there long. That's a Blackstone right there. The one they got isn't that big, is it? Is it? That thing's $600. This is the size. This would be a decent size. So these are the flowers. These are the flowers I got at Lowe's today. I got 2 of these little guys. Gotta water that one. He's kind of wilty. And then I got, I call these little bellflowers. Some of those. Got this little purple one. I got a red Gerber daisy and a yellow Gerber daisy. And I got some petunias. And I forgot what you call this one. It reminds me of a lily almost. And then I got this beautiful one. And then I got big river pebbles, and I got 3 bags of pea gravel, 4 bags of mulch, and 1 bag of garden soil. So the pond right here, I'm going to get started again. I'm going to get a powerful pump. I'm going to get some more sand to put in there. I left that sand because it's got good bacteria and stuff in it. But I just sprayed this rose bush. This person down here has been mowing my yard for me.
Oh, yeah.
His name is Sweaty Butt now.
Look what you made me do.
Anyway, y'all. So we've been working very hard in the yard coming up on the summer. And we've been focusing more on this side right now than the other side. But all this little ripey right here is going to have to come up. Because I've got to work on this front garden bed. But over here, we've cleared all this out. I just need to lay mulch or rock. I haven't decided yet what. And my pond, I've got to get started again.